What's good, man? What's good? Thanks for watching, man. Listen, before I do anything, man, I got a report from YouTube saying that most of my viewers are coming from non-subscribers. So with that being said, if you not subscribed, can you just click this little red box? I think it's gonna end up right here. Just click it and get it out the way. Thanks for subscribing. Anyway, let me get on with this video. I keep getting questions. I've done a video on this in the past. I think it was a long time ago, so it might be down in the dungeon where can't nobody see it. But let me reiterate what I talked about in that video. The P0340. Now, there's only one part you should be replacing with this code. If you do the diagnosis and come to the conclusion and determine that it needs a cam sensor, it's only one part you should be using, people. That's the OEM Chrysler part number. I got a picture right here. I got this bag right here. You're looking at, this is the only part you should be putting on. Not just the PT Cruiser, any of the Chrysler 4-cylinder engines. We put the 2.4 in the neons, even the 2-liter neons should only get this part number. The 2.4 PT Cruisers, the Sebring, anything that has that 2.4 liter engine in it. What I'm trying to get at is stay away from the aftermarket cam sensors. Those sensors are causing headache for people, even shops. Some shops go in their own parts department. Pep Boy's mechanic could go in his own parts department, get a cam sensor, put it on. 3 weeks later, he having problems with it. He can't figure out why the car running rough, because the part is not even built quality enough to even generate a fault code. So the customer could have weird ass drivability problems and not even know that it's coming from the part you just put on. So my point is, stay away from the cam sensor, and for that matter the crank sensor in the aftermarket community. Try to only use a OEM Chrysler. Here's again, it's the picture right here. Only use the Chrysler approved OEM cam sensor on your PT Cruiser, your neons, your Sebring, some of your everything with the 4-cylinder Chrysler engine in it. All right, that's all I have, man. I just cannot, overly stress this. Stop using the aftermarket parts. There's more parts you shouldn't use on aftermarket, like O2 sensors and things like that. I'll talk about that on a different video. But for now, I want to concentrate on the cam sensors and the P0340. Try to stay away from the OEM. Try to stay away from the aftermarket cam sensor. Only use OEM Chrysler approved cam sensor. They're built quality. They're built with good quality and construction, and actually they're built for the car. If you ask me, when engineer built the calibrations or the programming into the computer, they did it in mind that you're going to use the OEM sensor. So it's almost like they married it together. So that's all I have. I want to keep this video short. Thanks for watching. And again, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.